So here we have driver disc, paper, more paper, and the card. There it is.
Take the plastic out.
So it's 1100 and something megahertz on the GPU speed, and it's a Sapphire brand. That hasn't got a stick on it, I think. Nope. It's got DVI-D display port, maybe. Can't remember what that one is. That looks like HDMI.
There we go. Yeah.
And that's clicked in.
Right, we've got to get an extension for this, otherwise it's not going to power up.
Okay.
We've got the
It's in the box. Seems like it can only go in one way.
that's the way. Clip to clip. Yeah, that's it.
And then where is it this?
Yeah.
One way. That's in. That's not go around. You can now see it's got a port there. So HDMI, DVI-D and display port. Right there. So I'm going to plug it in and get it ready. It's going to mute the microphone probably, and you'll see